Lueur Reels AI is one of the latest and most powerful tools to hit the market for creators and marketers. And in this review, I'll share 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Whether you're new to AI-driven content creation or already using similar tools, this software promises to elevate your game. Stick around until the end because you won't want to miss the hidden features that set Lueur Reels apart from the competition. First off, Lueur Reels AI is designed to make your content creation process smoother, faster, and more efficient. It's especially focused on video content, making it perfect for marketers, social media managers, and anyone looking to improve their online presence. With its intuitive platform, you can quickly create videos that not only capture attention, but also engage your audience. One of the most notable features of Lueur Reels is its ability to generate short-form video content for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. The software uses AI to automatically edit your clips, add effects, transitions, and even optimize the video length based on platform best practices. This means you can save hours of manual editing while still producing content that's perfectly tailored for each platform. The software also includes AI-driven analytics to give you insights into what's working. Whether it's engagement data or trends around your audience, Lueur Reels provides valuable feedback that helps you tweak your strategy and boost your content's performance. It's like having a digital marketing assistant working around the clock to optimize your content. Another great feature is the integration with popular social media scheduling tools. This makes it easy to plan and publish your videos directly from Lueur Reels without having to jump between different platforms. It's one of the reasons why this tool is perfect for people who want to streamline their content creation and posting processes. But what really sets Lueur Reels AI apart from other similar tools is its deep customization options. You can adjust the AI's editing style to fit your brand's voice and aesthetic. Whether you want your content to feel professional, quirky, or casual, Lueur Reels gives you that level of flexibility. The software learns from your preferences and gets better over time, so your content always stays fresh and on brand. A lot of people ask about the learning curve with new software, and I'm happy to say that Lueur Reels has made the user interface incredibly straightforward. Even if you've never worked with AI-powered tools before, you can jump in right away. The platform walks you through each step, and its drag-and-drop functionality makes it accessible to both beginners and pros. Now, while the software is packed with incredible features, it's important to mention that Lueur Reels is continually improving. With new updates being rolled out frequently, the team behind the software is focused on making sure it stays ahead of trends and relevant in an ever-changing digital world. If you're looking for an AI that can grow with you, this is definitely a tool that's worth keeping an eye on. If you're interested in testing Lueur Reels for yourself, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link below. I'm always on the lookout for tools that can help creators and marketers, and after trying thousands of AI solutions, Lueur Reels is definitely one of the most impressive. I've included a list of other recommended AI tools in the description as well, so make sure to check those out after you've explored this one. In conclusion, Lueur Reels AI is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their video content creation process. It's intuitive, efficient, and packed with features that save you time while maximizing your reach. If you're serious about improving your content and growing your online presence, this software is one you won't want to miss.